Hey, Dan from Mudmap here, and today we're going to go over the diagnostics panel inside Mudmap. So I'm currently in the home page of active devices where I can see all the devices I have registered with my account. I want to execute some shell commands on one of those. So I'm going to view the device, take me to the system overview page. Following the navigation bar on the top, I want to go all the way to the right where it says diagnostics and click that. By default, it will take me to the command prompt page or the shell execution. And I'm going to just execute a command to demonstrate the host's address. I'm going to curl a public IP or host, which will give me my external IP. Executing that will execute this on the firewall and return the response. And we can see this curl has returned our IP address, which correlates with our host address up here. You can execute any command that you require from here as if you were on the either SSH into your firewall or inside its graphical user interface. We also have our shutdown and reboot. I'm not going to demonstrate these, but if you were to shut this down, it will alert you with a notification banner at the top right saying that it's shut down. As it says there, Mudmap cannot bring this back up, so you will need to have access to the device. And reboot. Reboot will reboot it immediately and it will eventually come back up, but you will lose connectivity as expected from Mudmap until it comes back on. And that's the diagnostics panel demonstration. Thanks for viewing.